Alrighty then, let's get started with Module 1. Now, conveniently enough for you, there's actually quite a few English words that are used in Korean on an everyday basis. That's pretty cool, huh? I bet you didn't know there was a lot of English words used in Korean. Well, there are. And to make it a little easier on you to get started, we're going to use those words. So I'm going to say one of those words, and you tell me or think what you think it is. 샌드위치. 샌드위치. Sandwich. Now, how do you say sandwich in Korean?
샌드위치.
All right, what about this one? 아이스크림. 아이스크림. Good, ice cream. Now, how do you say ice cream in Korean?
아이스크림.
All right, what about this one? Juice. Juice. Juice, you got it. Okay, now how do you say juice in Korean?
주스.
Banana is banana. So how do you say banana in Korean?
바나나.
Another one is T-shirt. T-shirt. What do you think that is? So how do you say T-shirt in Korean?
티셔츠.
All right, there you go. Now let's start making some sentences.